I recently listened to a podcast on the hidden brain with Richard Davidson, who's a neuroscientist. And he brought up this fascinating study where they wanted to look at the effect of a painful stimulus on the pain matrix. The pain matrix is a neural network in the brain where they know to look for signs of pain. That area becomes illuminated when you have pain. So what they did is they took two groups. They took yogis that had, at a bare minimum, been practicing for 3 years and had been meditating for up to 8 hours a day. That's one group. The other group was untrained. And what they did is they took a painful stimulus, which was hot water applied to the wrist, which is apparently very painful. They did it so both groups knew what to expect. And they said to the groups, we're going to play a beep. There'll be a 10-second delay. We'll apply the stimulus for 10 seconds, and then we'll remove it for 10 seconds. And then they monitored the pain matrix. And this is what they saw. So in the untrained group, they played a beep. This is 10 seconds, 20, 30 seconds. They'd play a beep. There'd be increase in activity. And then as soon as the stimulus was applied, a peak, and then a ramping down recovery. In the yogis, what they found is they play the beep, absolutely zero activity, and then they apply a stimulus, and then a big peak, and then an immediate recovery, which is super interesting. And what they concluded, the research concluded, is this is the signature of resilience. And they go on to say that what's unique about the human mind is it has an ability to fascinate about the future and ruminate about the past. And that's what you see here. This is the future, this is the past. This is how I think chronic pain develops, which makes sense. If you've done something that hurts and you know about it and you go to do that thing again, you're like, oh, it's gonna hurt, boom, it hurts, and this is the new me, I'm gonna have to live with this pain. This is the pattern, I think, that develops into chronic pain. And this brings me to the point of the cold baths, right? The cold plunge is very popular these days. This is how I think it's affecting people in terms of decreasing their pain. I don't think it's about the anti-inflammatory effect. I think it's about a mindset shift. Because the yogis report a clarity of mind, being present at all times, not ruminating on the past or fascinating about the future. And when you are in that ice bath, you are acutely aware of what you're doing because there's no choice but to be present in your mind. I think this is the main reason it decreases pain. It's a mindset shift, and it's a way to develop clarity and presence of mind.